darkness in the distance from the way that I've been living, but I know I can't resist it. There's darkness in the distance. I'm begging for forgiveness, but I know I'm not resisting. From the daylight, running from the daylight. From the daylight, running from the daylight. Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time. From the daylight, running from the daylight. Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time. From the daylight, running from the daylight. Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time. From the daylight, running from the daylight. Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time.
Hindi na po dapat ikaw ang nagiging successful. Dapat ang happiness mo ay buong community. Yung matuto kayo na magbago at umangat sa buhay ng pantay na may maayos at nakakahangang pag-uugali.
When you walked out through my door, can't imagine what my life was like before. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. I'm a dreamer, but never dreamed a thing like this. What a feeling, flying through the universe. Oh, 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 oh. Day of my life, living the best day of my life.
Tatlong taon pa lang, ramdam na namin na marami kaming makre-create na milyonaryo dito sa Tau Elevate.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. The best day of my life, best day of my life.
Pag tinawag na successful na tao, kailangan nakapag-build ka ng strong team. Yung malaking grupo. Saan nagsisimula yan? Siyempre sa'yo.
Watch it shimmer, all the glitter turns to gold. What a picture, see the future now. Oh, 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 oh. Living the best day.
Ako po ay stage 5 chronic kidney disease patient, not undergoing dialysis. Tuloy-tuloy lang po ang inom ng Elevate in 1. Nung inintroduce sa akin ni Upline ang Elevate in 1, sinubukan ko lang po siya. Apakaganda po ng naging result sa akin.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Best day of my life, best day of my life. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Best day of my life, best day of my life. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Unang-una, magtiwala ka lagi sa sarili mo. Pangalawa, mahalin mo yung ginagawa mo. And pangatlo, lagi mo lang titignan kung ano yung pinaka-deepest reason mo bakit ka nandito. Alam mo yung exit mo talaga dito, hindi yung susuko ka talaga eh. Ang pinaka-exit mo talaga dito, yung makuha mo yung pangarap mo, yung success na gustong-gusto mo. So yun lang, maraming salamat and to God be the glory.
If there's one thing that I know, oh, oh, we're gonna make it, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it through.
Tonight, we are celebrating a truly remarkable milestone, the 3rd anniversary of Tau Elevate.
Sa mga next travel namin, may mga bagong mukha kaming makakasama. Yun po yung gusto namin mangyari. Ang tanong ko doon, isa ka ba doon sa makasama namin sa mga tech travel namin? Maraming salamat po and congratulations everyone! Happy 3rd year anniversary Tau Elevate!
We're gonna make it through.
Naniniwala ako magaling ka. Kaya mo din. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin, itodo mo pa, sipagan mo na. Bakit? Ang sarap gawin ng Tau Elevate. Bakit? Sobrang gandang buhay nag-aantay sa'yo. Magugulat ka na lang, yung pangalan mo, tinatawag ito, our new top 1 ng company.
There's nothing we can't do.
Thank you so much guys sa pagmamahal na binibigay nyo sa buong community natin, sa tiwala, sa commitment, sa lahat na hindi ko mabubuo yung EBE community kung hindi dahil sa inyo. Thank you so much.
Grabe, binago talaga yung buhay ko na dating tambay, pero ngayon nakuha ko na po yung first card ko dito sa Tau Elevate. Papasalamat ako kasi mamaya mabubunot ako ng 100,000. Sobrang daming pera yung Tau Elevate, kaya next time, ikaw naman yung kikita na malaki at ikaw naman yung aakyat dito sa stage para awardan. Yun lang, maraming salamat.
We're gonna make it through.
So, una gusto kong magpasalamat, of course, kay God. Kasi ako naniniwala na lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay ko, siya yung may gusto. Thank you, Tau Elevate, kasi ang dami mong pangarap na binuhay. Thank you, Tau Elevate, dahil sa'yo, na dating hindi ko alam kung paano kunin yung pangarap kong pick-up binigay mo.
There's nothing we can't do.